Hi, JC here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can get a lot more flattering sitting poses, so let's get started. If you feel a little bit self-conscious because you've got a little bit of a stomach, you don't need to worry about that, because what you can do is you can bring your knees up, have your hand rested on your knee, and with your legs and your arms you can cover up your stomach, and you'll feel a lot more confident in your pictures, and it covers up any bits you don't want people to see. So next thing is posture. For doing this, you want to sit up straight and you just want to put 1 foot forward and 1 foot back, and I'll show you in an image here what this looks like. Next thing is legs. So you want to move one leg behind the other and drop your knees to the side while leaning forward into the camera. And doing this can actually elongate you a bit more, rather than if you just sit all the way back into the chair, it can make you look a lot shorter and wider this way. So I hope these tips helped you, and if they did, please let me know down in the comments. And check out all my social media platforms, as I share a lot more different content on these platforms. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and share this around with your friends if you think this will help them improve their posing. And don't forget to tag me if you try out any of these poses on social media, and you'll find new videos here every week, so I'll see you soon.